I don't know how much we gonna talk, but this is one of the hungriest. This is one of the hungriest we've been.
We ate.
But we played it safe. We was like, well, we hungry.
We ate 8 hours ago, guys.
Yeah. We hungry, but we didn't want to go try something too strange. But this is the first time we've ever ate a DQ, Dairy Queen.
We had shake from here before though.
But hey, what?
We had a shake from here first though.
Oh well, we is trying a new white mocha shake, and we got
chicken strip basket.
Chicken strip basket. Chicken strip basket.
Guys, we went through a lot of trouble just to order, guys. It's really hard.
Chicken strip basket. And we even gonna try the queso. Like I said, if this queso is horrible.
It come warm too.
Oh,
man, where your logo go?
So guys, stay tuned. Looking amazing.
Guys, I was expecting that. Oh, okay. Never mind. It ain't tough. So this is their Texas toast. I don't know why I was thinking of it would be like a.
It's thick like Texas toast. Look at the queso.
Let me see. I did get one.
I'm impressed.
Oh, it's real warm too. Look at they fry. Oh, they got fun cool up.
Look at that hot queso, guys. Let me see the tenders.
Look at this tender, guys. Nice crispy tender too, you can tell. Oh, look at it, guys, it's steaming. Hard to hook.
What the heck? Let's do one at a time. First bite of the tender with nothing on it.
I just you already took my bite. Wow.
You know what this tastes like?
Well,
you know, tenders like
I'm tired of Texas toast.
Tenders like taste like okay. They what's that called when you make it in a lab? Oh, please let me think of this word, guys, so I can describe the flavor. Process. You know how tenders taste like got that processed taste?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me if I'm wrong, but don't this tender taste like you pulling it off a bone? The chicken tastes like it's coming straight off a bone, guys.
The queso is thick. Hold on. Look.
Okay.
Yeah,
So.
it's like thick. You know, it's not like a sauce.
Now taste it. What you think, Beef?
Oh my god, I like this. You want to try this?
I'm impressed.
No. Try the queso, guys.
Hey, so I am the Midwest cheese connoisseur. If this is good, already, guys, I'm impressed with the color. That means there's peppers and herbs or whatever, and spices. Impressed with the color. I'm impressed I see strips of cheese in here, like not all the way melted. I'm impressed by how hot it is. Is the beef gonna go in there and say thank you to the chefs? Is the beef about to go? Okay.
That's what I said. That's what I said. I was not expecting that. Was you? You was not expecting that.
Whoa!
It's really creamy. It's really like delightful. Like it invites you over, you know? When you go over to someone's house, okay, there's a house and then there's like a nice home. This is like a nice, like warm home.
Wow! Let's try it.
Guys, let's try that barbecue sauce. Cause I'm big on barbecue sauce. You know, barbecue sauce we have at home, I don't like the aftertaste at all. Oh, this is a nice sweet barbecue sauce.
Love the tartness of the barbecue sauce.
Mmm,
The toast.
just cool.
Hey,
What?
Canes.
Cane's got some of the best toast though.
I'm talking about the chicken and fries.
Uh,
Canes, eat your heart out. Mm. So many flavor combinations. See that cheese right there? That's impressive. See that? Wow. Dude,
the Buttes are actually impressed. I wonder if that queso gonna be a thing they keep around.
is we one in there that's to thank them?
Yeah, we got to. Like, cause this was outstanding. It was actually outstanding.
No, I got a challenge. You think it'd be outstanding if your mom.
You know, guys, every time I go with my mom and we get food, I don't know if we curse, but it'd be like bad. Like we got some little roses. Guys, it was like horrible. They refunded her and gave her like money because like you could tell it was just horrible. Or they gave her credit. I mean, guys,
This is amazing. And it's only $6.99.
oh yeah, they gave you a lot of stuff too, actually. Why is nobody talking about this?
Oh no.
Oh my God, I had to do some extensive research. This didn't even pop up. I was just looking at like different stuff they got. And I seen that box over there on the sign that said new, but I mean, look at this chicken, guys. I mean, nice crispy chicken is seasoned. That really did it for us though. It's this queso.
I'm impressed.
And they fill you up for $6 too.
Mm.
Guys,
Highly impressed.
do y'all got a I said Burger King. Y'all got a what's it called? Dairy King. Y'all got a Dairy King by y'all guys. I know. Then Dairy King used to be considered bad.
Dairy Queen.
Hmm? That's what I said. Isn't it? I said Dairy King, didn't I? Dairy Queens, didn't it used to be considered bad? Guys, they stepped up. Don't sleep on them. I ain't seen nobody pull in here either. Don't know why, but stop sleeping on them. I feel like the fries keep going too, guys. Like,
Highly impressed, guys.
and the tenders are meaningful size too. Like good size. You know, I was expecting a strong coffee taste. You getting that? I wanted a strong coffee taste. I mean,
This is amazing. What an amazing Saturday, Bufes. Or Sunday, whatever day it is.
Amazing. We don't even know what to say, guys.
So, guys, scale of 1 to 5 on the chicken basket with the queso.
With
The barbecue sauce.
It might actually be a 5. Yeah.
5 ball.
5.
The white chocolate mocha shake.
It was cool. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, y'all don't see us give everything a 5.
Hey, prime reason to subscribe.
Y'all like y'all don't know about this.
Please go to Dairy Queen and try the chicken nugget or chicken tender basket with the queso cheese and get you some barbecue sauce and wash it down with the white mocha chocolate, white chocolate mocha. I can't talk,
whatever
guys.
it is, guys. Y'all get it. Y'all do not see us giving things a 5. Ooh, a good nap.
I got the
Guys, I'm gonna be driving from this seat, from the passenger side. Alright, guys, we gonna see y'all. We about to take a nap.